Hello folks. Today I wanted to do a quick review and just a small demonstration on a couple of AR tools I've had for a while now. But I think that is pretty essential for cleaning your AR-15. I'm not going to do a detailed video how to clean your AR. I may do one of those so beginners know how to do it and get kind of an idea how to do it, especially in these times where gun sales are through the roof and people have been buying these up, but they really don't. You may not have an idea of what all is entailed in it. So I might do a video on that to help people. But today mainly I wanted to talk about the Talon tool and the Cat M4. These have different purposes. The Talon tool here has an end on it, and what you would use that for is for the inside of the chamber on the upper receiver. What this tool does is it goes down inside and it fits right in there, and you can scrape out the carbon. Some people miss that on these, and it's real important to get that carbon out of there. You get buildup and a whole bunch of bad things can happen. One thing I like about this tool as well is that all your standard cleaning attachments can screw onto the end, and you can use this Talon tool to get down in there, and it won't turn on you as you're cleaning it, opposed to one of these. These handles like to spin on here, and it kind of makes it hard as you're trying to crank on a tight spot. These will just sit and spin, where the Talon tool, this goes on there and you could put that down there, scrape all that carbon out of there, and this thing won't turn on you. It locks right in place. So that's that for the Talon tool. This Cat M4 has a couple of different purposes. One being that on your firing pin, you can get a lot of carbon buildup here. And what you do with this is sorry folks, trying to do this one-handed. What you can do is you put your firing pin down in this part of it and you turn it. And what that does is it allows you to scrape off right in here. It allows you to scrape off that carbon in there. And another purpose that this serves is for your bolt. You'll get a lot of carbon buildup around here on the brim of this bolt, and what this Cat M4 tool will do is it slides right over, and you push down as you're holding your bolt, of course, and you turn this and it scrapes the carbon off of there. Another purpose it serves is that inside of your bolt carrier, you place this inside there. You can scrape carbon out of there, keep things from falling up on you. You can also take a small piece of rag in your inside this here, and you can, after you spray it with solvent, you can put it in there and clean it out there. Couple great little tools, are very essential, I think, for the cleaning the AR. You can get brush kits online like that, and like I say, they go down inside the chamber here. Yeah, so it's something I think is necessary to have if you want to make sure you're getting all the carbon buildup out of there. Sorry for the short video. It's just I wanted to kind of make it quick. There are other videos that probably go into further detail how to break down your AR. And again, I'll probably do an extensive cleaning video to help out the beginners. God bless America, God bless the Republic, and remember, John 3:16 says, "For God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life." If you have not received Jesus as your Savior, I would encourage you to do so. Have a great day, folks. Bye.